Engine rebuilt by Dave Dudek. But this is an original, all original, plum crazy in violet 70 AAR Cuda. Also front and rear elastomeric bumpers, so you know it's very, very special. I'm amazed at how nice of a condition this is for being original. Sure, you can see patina, but man, that's part of the game when you have a car this rare. Let's take a look at that. Yep, look at that, baby. Still has a Trans Am tag. It's a J code. Yep. FC7. Very rare. Very nicely done. Rally dash car. 4 on the floor. Yeah, these were very specialized cars with lots of equipment in the package. That's why they book out so strong right now, because they were Trans Am homologation cars, like the Boss 302 and the other, the Pontiacs, the Dodge Challengers, Chevy Camaro Z28s. They were all competing against each other in the Trans Am Championship.
Yeah, I bought a 70 Cuda. It wasn't an AAR body style. And then, like I said, but now I'm turning it into an AA type.
So there you have it, folks. When are you ever going to see a Survivor original paint car in as good a shape as this one? My friend Earl that owns this had procured it from Iggy, my friend Iggy over in Miami. And Iggy had Dave Dudek rebuild the engine, so that's the story on it. But I love seeing this car every time, and I hope you enjoyed. This is Gauze Garage at the Big Top Brewers Collective. Have a great Sunday, everybody.